What did you think of the night?
Oh, I had a good time.
And Ron?
We're going to get a car. We're going to call him Herbie. Fully loaded.
Crazy.
Herbie fully loaded.
What do you want to call it, Abby? And Brittany? I know, right? Oh, hey. Laura. Laura. What'd you say?
She's looking for her phone.
I'm right here, Mom. Mom, I'm right here, Mom. Mom. What? I don't care. I was talking about. I'm right here, Mom. This motherfucker records for a long time. Abby. No, never mind. Look like you're trying to do a Britney Spears video. So did you enjoy the night? Was it fun?
Charlie, here, let me take your picture. Smile. Charlie, smile. At least it's a smile, Charlie. There you get cheese. All right. Non-smile.
Monster.
Is that recording that long?
2 minutes, right?
Charlie, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna get a car.
Stop, yeah.
Is it red?
2.
No. You got 10 seconds. No. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.